Hi everybody, it's Marita here with Doing Life, and today in my life, I have a Trendsend. Let's go ahead and check out the first bundle that I got. I believe I asked for more graphic tees, maybe some shorts, kimonos, and I did put my link to my Pinterest board down in the little like box that asks me what I'm looking for, so that because I'm always putting summer styles and different things in my Pinterest board. If you want to check out my Pinterest board, then I'll leave the link down in the description for you and you can check it out as well. So this is what my first little bundle looks like. They do put these in like outfits, which I think is great. So it looks like this first item is a little striped tank, and it's got yellows and blues, and then look at the bottom here, it's a little raw edge, so that's pretty cool. And this is by Cloth and Stone, and she sent me a large. And then to go with that, this really cute pair of shorts. They are a great material, they're really soft. They are also by Cloth and Stone. She sent them in a size medium. I don't know, wonder if these run big. We'll have to see if they fit. The next bundle right here, I love their little sayings. This one says, "But first, gratitude." Ooh, ooh, I got another tea. This one is by Spiritual Gangster. It says, "Seeker of Everyday Magic." That's really cute. It's like a gray color. The cat is trying to get in the box. Ooh, what do I have here? Ooh, a kimono. So we have this. I love the pattern of it. It's very tropical and beachy, and I love the colors. This is by Talani, and it's a one size fits all. And I might have actually, I think I put this in my, on my Pinterest board, and it was a sale item, and she sent it to me, $29.99. I'm just gonna throw that in there for y'all. So they will send you sale items if you request them. And then here is a pair of jeans. They don't have any distressing, I don't see. They are, she sent me a size 10. I think I'm gonna have to change my sizes because I am a solid 12. But these are cut from the cloth. Let's see what is in this last bundle. Sorry, I hit the light there. There we go. This one says, "With Heart, #Evereve." Whatever this is, it is really soft. It's silky. All right. This is a blush colored top. It is very silky. It's long sleeves, and it has elastic here. And it is by Allison Joy. It's a size large, and then it has ties here at the neck. Lots of detail here at the neck too. And okay, I guess she knows we're in Nebraska. Sometimes we have some cooler days maybe, but I don't know if I'm ready. I'm gonna be packing up all of my winter stuff for right now. This is a sweatshirt. I like my sweatshirts to be nice and big and roomy, so that I can feel like I'm cuddling up in them, you know what I'm saying? But this one is a gray one, and it is by Peyton Jensen, and it's a size large. So there is my unboxing portion of the time for the try on. To be honest, it's been a couple days. Everything looks different. I'm moving, so trying to find a spot that is okay for filming is getting a little bit hard. All I have behind me here, instead of anything on the wall, is the lamp. I do have my little succulent there and the table. There's a stool, you know, that kind of thing in the way. So the first item, I do have my sheet here. Creaky floors, and it's probably gonna get even more like echoey. So in these next several videos that you'll probably see in the coming weeks, that's the way it's gonna be. The first two items that I put on that are from the box is the cut from the cloth Connie cropped jeans. They're a size 10, which I am uber excited about, and they're $79. Also, the Grace Floral Kimono, one size fits all by Talani, and it's on sale for $29.99. This is an item that I pinned to my Pinterest board, and so I was really excited that she sent it to me. So let's just kind of back up so you can see. This is the kimono. It has a slit up to here. It is probably a little bit longer on me than some because I'm only about 5 foot, and then the jeans with it are super cute. I just paired it with this black little tank that I had in my closet, but these are the jeans, and I really like the length on them. They're supposed to be a cropped length on most people, but on me it's a nice little ankle skinny jean. So what do you guys think of this outfit? If you guys can see cat hair on me, I'm sorry. They packed, I think it was my son, he packed the lint roller, so I had to use tape. But here's a close-up of the back. Let me know what you guys think of this item, these two items. The next couple of items will be some tops, and I do have a pair of shorts as well. This one is the Winnie Smock Blouse in Blush by Allison Joy, and it's $78. I do really like it. I think it's super cute. It's got a band down here at the bottom. The arms are really nice and flowy and big and comfy. It's really, really soft and silky, which is really cute. I like the little cutout here, and then it's got the tie and a little bit of smocked detailing here around the neck. And this is the back. Let me know what you guys think of this top for $78. Next up, I have this tank. It says Seeker of Everything Magic. There's a couple of reasons that this just is not gonna stick with me. Number one, I feel like it's a little bit tight in the chest area. And then the cut, like this is my bra, so you have about a ½ inch of being able to see my bra. Otherwise, I would be able to wear, you know, a regular bra. I just don't feel like the cut is really good on me. It's a little bit on the small side. Here's the back of it. It is called the Seeker Tank by Spiritual Gangster, and it's a size large for $48. So for the $48, I'm not going to keep this item, just mainly because the chest cut. Next, I'm going to just slide on the next item, which is a little sweatshirt from Peyton Jensen. I believe it's also a size large. Yes, it's on sale for $44.99. And this is that. So it has kind of a big fluffy balloon sleeve. It also has this seam, almost like it would be inside out, but it's down the middle of the top or sweatshirt. the back of it. This one is called, where is it? The Skylar Pullover Sweatshirt in Washed Black, $44.99 by Peyton Jensen. Oops, so there's this. All right, I have one more outfit to put on and then we'll get on with the recap. The last outfit that I slid on today is the Neon Stripe Tank in Lime, size large, by Cloth & Stone, $59.99. And the Frey Hem Easy Pocket Short by Cloth & Stone as well. And they're in the color Silver Lake Wash. She sent them to me in a size medium. They're $88. Okay, so I didn't switch my bra, as you can tell. The top, let's talk about it. I don't like the cut on me. I feel like it flattens out my chest. Like, I'm pretty busty, and let's see, my chest size is a 38C, D-ish, depending on what kind of bra I have on. But I just feel like, you know, it's not doing me any favors. But I like the color a lot. I like the lime green. And then down here it has like a raw edge hem, which is cool. Here's the back of it. It's got a keyhole right here. And then these are the shorts. I feel like I might like them a little bit better in a size large. They're a little bit tight around the thighs, but mainly here in the hips. They're pulling. So there is my last outfit. I will get on with a recap in just a second. Let's talk about the items that are gonna go back in my prepaid mailer here. I kind of like the sweatshirt, which, you know, it's a sweatshirt, and $44.97. I will add that one thing that I like, because it is an Evereve store, if something's on sale, they will give you the sale price. Also, I got a discount link in my email that they sent me for an extra 15% off. Now, if I buy everything in the box, which I know that I'm not going to today, I would get 10% off everything, or each item, plus I would also get another 15% off anything that I was keeping with the code that they sent me. So I could keep this for 15% off, but I kind of like my sweatshirts big and baggy, and you know, you just want to cuddle up on the couch on a Sunday with them. And so I don't know that I'm gonna keep this, but it was pretty cute. I like this top a whole lot. I'm not really sure about the price of it. There's a better look there. It, I believe, was $78. $78. Do I think it's $78 worth? I don't know, plus the 15% off. This kimono I really, really like, and it is the, if I can get it around, and it is the one item that I know that I'm gonna keep. It is $29.99. It was originally an $88 kimono, and I really like it. Then this top, I didn't think it was very flattering on me, so for that reason I'm not gonna keep the tank. I didn't mention it, these are really soft. Plus, they have back pockets. So that is a winner, and front pockets. I like anything that has pockets. I think I probably would have liked them a lot better had they been a large. The Spiritual Gangster tank was not a good fit on me either, so it's gonna go back. Then my other thing was these jeans. I really, really like these jeans, and I really, really, really like that they're a size 10. And I don't know the last time I was in a size 10. It's been a while. So, I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think I should keep them or send them back? Let me know in the comments. So my 3 things that are up in the air are the jeans, the top, and then I know for a fact that I'm gonna keep the kimono. He paces, just kind of ignore the fact that he is clip-clopping around here on the hardwood floor. All right, I hope everybody has a lovely day. I do want to say that I know my videos are really sporadic right now with this upcoming move. There's a lot of things up in the air. Like, we haven't even bought another house. We've looked online, but we haven't settled on anything. So I'm really looking forward to taking you guys along on the house hunting once we get there. But as for the sporadicness, I am still trying to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark by August. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please consider doing that, sharing me with your friends, and giving me a big thumbs up. Also, I will be doing another live this Saturday morning at 10 a.m. So come have coffee and a chit chat with me. Bye. And for the dream.